Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Vivo phone. Guys, you have guys like my Bluetooth speaker like that. So as you can disconnect it, and guys now let's see how to disconnect this Bluetooth speaker in your Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you how can you disconnect it. So guys, first of all guys, open your phone setting to disconnect this Bluetooth speaker. Then guys scroll it and guys click on Bluetooth and devices, and guys click on guys Bluetooth. So as you can see guys, we have connected this JBL Go speaker, and guys you can see this right side guys setting option. So guys tap here, and guys you can see disconnect option. So we will disconnect from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.